Hello, my name is Isia Zun Nurani. NPM 23,411,066. Class Management 23X. I will explain the material about creating a compelling value proposition. Hat is a value proposition. A value proposition is a strategic statement that clearly communicates the unique value a product or service delivers to its customers. It outlines the core benefits customers can expect, highlights how the offering solves a specific problem or improves a situation, and emphasizes what differentiates it from competing products in the market. Rather than simply describing what the product is, a value proposition explains why it matters to the customer and how it enhances their life, work, or business. Why is it important to create a compelling value proposition? Creating a compelling value proposition is critical for any business aiming to attract, engage, and retain customers. In today's highly competitive and information-saturated marketplace, consumers are constantly bombarded with choices. A well-crafted value proposition helps cut through the noise by quickly answering the customer's most important question: why should I choose your product? An effective value proposition not only captures attention but also builds trust and drives conversion. It becomes the foundation for marketing messages, advertising campaigns, and sales conversations, ensuring consistency across all customer touchpoints. Without a strong value proposition, even the best products can struggle to gain traction in the market. Elements of an effective value proposition. A compelling value proposition usually includes the following core elements. Target audience. It identifies who the offering is for. Understanding the needs, desires, and pain points of your target market is crucial. Problem or need. It clearly states what customer problem is being solved or what need is being fulfilled. Solution offered. It explains what the product or service does and how it addresses the customer's problem. Unique differentiator. It highlights what makes the offering different or better than alternatives, e.g., price, speed, convenience, innovation, design. Tangible benefits. It communicates the specific value or improvements that the customer will receive, e.g., time saved, costs reduced, efficiency increased, satisfaction enhanced. These elements should be presented in a concise, meaningful, and customer-focused manner, avoiding jargon or technical language that could confuse or alienate the audience. Steps in creating a compelling value proposition. To build an effective and persuasive value proposition, follow these step-by-step guidelines. A. Research your customers. Begin by conducting deep customer research. Understand who your ideal customers are, what problems they face, what solutions they are currently using, and what motivates them to make purchasing decisions. This includes collecting data through surveys, interviews, and market analysis. B. Understand your product's true value. List the benefits and features of your product or service. Then, connect each feature to the real-world value it brings to the customer. Ask, how does this make the customer's life easier, better, or more productive? C. Analyze your competitors. Examine how your competitors present their value propositions. Identify what they are doing well and where they fall short. Look for gaps or opportunities where you can offer a stronger, clearer, or more emotionally resonant message. D. Craft a clear and focused message. Once you've gathered insights, write a value proposition that is short, clear, and persuasive. Focus on benefits rather than features, and tailor the message to what your customers care about most. Avoid vague claims and be specific. E. Test and refine your value proposition. After creating your value proposition, test it with your target audience. This could be done through A/B testing, focus groups, or customer feedback. Based on their responses, refine and optimize the message to ensure it resonates deeply with potential buyers. Examples of strong value propositions. To better understand what a compelling value proposition looks like, consider the following examples. Slack. Be more productive at work with less effort. Slack brings all your communication together in one place. Trello. Trello helps teams move work forward. Collaborate, manage projects, and reach new productivity peaks. Dropbox. Everything you need for work, all in one place. Store and share files, collaborate on projects, and stay organized. These examples are successful because they are simple, audience-focused, and emphasize clear benefits.